Fashion and architecture have the power to shape our perceptions of space and time. For example, an architect can create a building that elicits a sense of wonder and awe, while a fashion designer can create a garment that captures a particular mood or moment in time. By manipulating space and time, both fields have the ability to create powerful emotional responses and connections with their audiences. Another interesting connection between fashion and architecture is the way in which they both respond to cultural and technological shifts. Both fields are constantly evolving and adapting to new developments in materials, technology, and society. For example, the rise of digital technology has had a significant impact on both fashion and architecture. Architects can use digital tools to create more complex and precise designs, while fashion designers can use computer-aided design, CAD, software to create 3D models and simulate the movement of fabrics. The use of digital technology has also led to the emergence of new materials and construction methods, which are increasingly being used in both fields. Similarly, both fashion and architecture have been influenced by social and cultural movements such as globalization and urbanization. As cities have become more densely populated and diverse, architects and fashion designers alike have had to find new ways to create designs that reflect the needs and values of a changing society. This has led to the emergence of new design practices such as adaptive reuse in architecture and cultural appropriation in fashion, which seek to incorporate and celebrate diverse cultural influences. Moreover, both fashion and architecture are highly collaborative fields that rely on the contributions of many different disciplines and perspectives. Architects must work closely with engineers, contractors, and clients to create a successful design, while fashion designers must collaborate with manufacturers, suppliers, and retailers to bring their designs to life. This collaborative approach often leads to new and innovative design solutions that would not be possible through individual efforts alone. Another important aspect of the link between fashion and architecture is the way in which they both express and shape cultural identity. Both fields have the power to communicate ideas and values that are deeply rooted in a particular time, place, or community. For example, architecture can be used to express the identity of a particular culture or society. Traditional building styles, materials, and construction techniques can all be used to create a sense of place and identity. Similarly, fashion can be used to express a cultural identity through the use of traditional textiles, patterns, and colors. Moreover, both fashion and architecture can be used to challenge and subvert traditional ideas about identity and power. Architects and fashion designers alike can use their designs to question dominant cultural narratives and to create spaces and garments that are more inclusive and diverse. This can be seen in the rise of inclusive design practices in both fields, such as universal design in architecture and adaptive fashion in the fashion industry. Another interesting aspect of the link between fashion and architecture is the way in which they both incorporate and respond to historical and cultural influences. Both fields are often influenced by historical styles and cultural traditions, which can be adapted and reinterpreted in new and innovative ways. For example, many architects have been inspired by historical styles such as Gothic, Baroque, and Art Deco, and have incorporated elements of these styles into their designs. Similarly, fashion designers often draw on historical fashion styles and cultural traditions, such as traditional dress, to create new and contemporary designs.